I would like to start this video off by asking you a question. How often do you clean your group handles? So can you take your time? If your answer was, then you really need to watch this video. Let's talk coffee. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am the Espresso Doctor, and today I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to clean your group handles. This weekly cleaning process is not rocket science. It's incredibly easy to do, and it will benefit you when you pour shots of espresso in the future. Inside your group handle, there's a gauze basket, and what happens is over time, coffee builds up in the gauze. What this old coffee buildup can do is turn your beautiful espresso into a nasty, bitter mess, which nobody wants. So the process of cleaning the group handle is incredibly easy. First of all, we've got to take the basket out of the group handle. Some people can just take the basket out like that. However, if you struggle, people suggest a teaspoon, but I find teaspoons too thick. So what I do is I take a butter knife and I slot the butter knife between the basket and the lug, and I just ping it off. Do it on all 3 lugs, or 2 lugs, or however many lugs you have on your group handle. And then once it's loose, it should come out nice and easy. What we're going to do with our group handle and basket now is soak it in a mystery solution. It's not that mysterious. It's a jug of hot water with either 1 teaspoon of cleaning powder or 3 small coffee cleaning tablets. The brand I recommend using is called Pulleycalf, but other options are available. So I've just put them in the jug there. What we're going to do now is we're going to wait half an hour, 45 minutes for these to soak. If you can't find anything to do during your half an hour, 45 minutes, you can always go back on this channel and watch many videos. It even gives you enough time to subscribe. It's free. So now that you've given me amazing watch time by watching all my videos and 45 minutes has passed, we are ready to take the group handle out of the solution. My group handle wasn't too bad, but what it's done, it has definitely taken out some coffee grinds from the basket and the handle itself. Now what I do is wipe it down. You can use a cloth, you can use tissue paper, it's really your choice. What you want to do is you want to dry and clean the inside of the basket. You want to clean the rim around the basket as well, because that's where coffee buildup occurs the most. Look at all that stuff. Gets nasty after a week. I'll put that to one side, and now I'll clean out my group handle. If you want to go the extra mile, get a pipe cleaner to clean the chutes at the bottom. And there you go, it's as easy as that. You've got a nice clean group handle, and the next time you brew an espresso, you should have a lovely clean coffee. If you do find that your coffee still tastes quite bitter, it might mean that your shower plate needs cleaning. And I've got a video in the description which will help you with that. And that's it, that's my incredibly easy guide on how to clean your group handle. If you maintain doing this once a week, you're onto a winner for making beautiful, lovely coffee. I'd like to end the video by apologising. I know I've not been releasing much content. There's a lot of ideas there that I really want to do, but I'm in the middle of some amazing life stuff at the minute, so please bear with me. There's no bad news, it's all good, just really, really busy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell to turn on notifications for when I upload a video. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.